Look at that thing, the Capri, next to an E30. That is like my dream garage, that is.
That's the exact same car that James made, because he even had an injection.
Look, that's the next Model 3 Series back from Mummy's one, the E36, the one she used to have.
That's an E30.
E30.
Oh, E30.
Yeah. But that with the Capri sat next to it, dream garage.
It's slightly different.
Yeah, you got the midget on the left, and then you got the MGB on the right.
Yeah, it looks so similar.
Yeah, they're both made by MG. If you look at the backs, they look very similar as well. We go around to the back, look. Well, the deck lids are actually a different size. I didn't know that. That is cool. That's straight 6.
Beautiful, isn't that?
Twin SUs.